In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace the backup camera on this BMW X5. This is going to be located in the liftgate. Let's get into it. Take this panel off. I'm just going to use a trim tool. Just get underneath. Let's pop that out. I'm going to do the same for the other side. We have to remove this back panel. There's a little cover right here. I'm just going to use a straight blade screwdriver. Pop that off. There is a wire attached to that. You're going to slip this through when this comes down. Where the handle is, you're going to take a Phillips head screw out. Just use a Phillips head screwdriver. Pull that screw out. And one on the other side. Take that out. Take these bezels out. I'm just going to use a straight blade screwdriver. Just get underneath. And I'll disconnect the light. Do the same on the other side. I'm just using a trim tool. Just get underneath here. Just pop this out. Pull that off. Take that wire, slide that through. And we have a connector over here. And disconnect that connector. Slide the wire through. There's the cover. Now we want to separate the camera. Now we want to pull the camera out. On the sides, there's some tabs. I'm just going to use a straight blade screwdriver. Get underneath the tabs. The tab right there. Just get under there, pull it back a little bit, get under there. And it pulls out, just like that. Disconnect the connector right here, push down on the tab, and pull that out. Take the new camera, get this lined up, lock it in place. Now take the camera, get that lined back up, just push it down in place. There we go. There it is, snapped in, that's good. Take the cover, slide the wire through so we can connect that connector to the switch. And then the cable, that's going to go through in the middle, right there. Get this lined up top. Once it's in place, just tap it in. There's wires that come through here for those lights. Looks good. Connect the connector for the switch. You want to push that in place. Just make sure the button is shut off on the dash or your battery's disconnected. Snap that in. This cover, just line that up. Clip that in. Take the connector, plug that into the light. Get this bezel lined up. Lock that in. Do the same on the other side. It in and take the screws, screw those down. Take this cover, get this lined up, and lock it in place. And do the same with the other side. Go.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.